एवरीवन एंड आज हम लोग लीगल प्रोसीडियर पढ़ेंगे। प्रोसीडियर का ई नहीं लिखा है। ओके, सो जो लीगल प्रोसीडियर है, पहले हम उसमें जो जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है जिसमें से क्वेश्चन आते ही है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू नो द चैप्टर, वी हैव टू गेट द टॉपिक, बट वी ऑल्सो हैव टू नो which are the important areas from which the questions are gonna come. So without wasting any time, we will be talking about the main topics. First topic is obviously important, is inquest, which actually 100% times it is coming, 100% sure. Then it's gonna be summon, matlab it's gonna be summon kya hai and what are the types, who can give a summon, what is included in a summon, what happens when you miss a summon, and yeah. And then what can be the question is the powers of the magistrates, the powers. Okay, and then we can be asked about the duties of a doctor in the court, obviously. Also, we can be asked, इसके अलावा we can be asked, yeah, evidence. What is evidence? What are the types of evidence? That is documentary and oral. वही है, the documentary and oral. And then which is the important point is इसमें ही related है, which is dying declaration and deposition. These are the questions which 100% times come in the questionnaire, question bank. So declaration and deposition both are very important. Definition of them and their difference is very very important. Which one is more important? It's more important, I mean the deposition is more important rather than a declaration. Why? Because jab someone is going to die, we take a declaration ki this person is dying, and they just say something, and we don't even cross check it, we don't even take a oath, ठीक है. But what we do is just believe, because we think that a dying person will not lie कर दिया, तो that is different anyways. So that is not cross checked, and that is like thought to be true. But a deposition is always valid, and it is always taken into account in a court. So this is a very very important thing. I think if you have forgotten everything, just read this difference में at least पढ़ लेना, because it's gonna come 100%. And someone has a high chance of coming, and inquest has a high chance of coming. Powers of the courts is an important question. And duties of a doctor, sometimes you know what is the to tell the evidence. Also, how you record a evidence, it's very important point to know how you record the evidence. Recording the evidence that you come, and then you take the oath, recording the evidence, that is also a very important question. This can be a long question. So these are the topics which would be there. Let me check if I'm missing out on anything. So no, I guess. So yeah, that's it.